Few months ago, I replaced the engine of my go-kart. So it was a 5 horsepower engine in it before. So I replaced it for one of those new 224cc engine from Harbor Freight. It's been running pretty good. I love the way this thing is running right now. The only thing I have an issue with it. I can't make the brakes work. I mean, I try almost everything, and the last time when I tried to get these calipers out, it was a pain, so I just leave it like it is. I try to make them work, but it's not happening. And this one has brakes on both sides, so it's got 2 discs. And so what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to replace them. For me to be able to replace the brakes, I was thinking to repair the calipers on the go-kart, but I think it's no point. They've been sitting there for a while, they're rusty, so I think if it was some kind of spring, it's already gone. So I already ordered 2 brand new calipers, so I'm going to drop the axle so I can take that ones out and just wait for the other one. What's going on? So I was dropping the axle of the go-kart so I can replace the brakes, but in the last minute I checked the brakes and I decided to try to repair that ones because they were only rusty. So I just take the pin out and sand it and put some grease in it. So now it looks like it's working better. I still have to replace them because the pads are already too bad, too old. But I think I can run it like that for a while. So, I mean, it don't stop the way I want it, but it slow down the car, and that's a big plus. So I'm gonna leave it like that, and I'm gonna wait for the next for the other brakes. So when I get them, I can replace these old ones. So I got a better brakes. But for now, I think I'm going to use these ones, and I want to do other modifications. Like I want to replace the muffler. I think it will make it look cool, and it might sound better. So I got this one. I was using for another project, so I think I'm gonna cut it, make it the right length, and I'm gonna put it like somewhere around there. I can put a base. So I mean, just to make it look cooler. I don't know. Let's see how it goes. So let's do it. I got my muffler done. I have to do a couple cuts and couple bends, but I mean in the end it turned out pretty weird. I mean, it's alright. I think I got it the way I wanted. So now I'm gonna install it, and then I have to create a bracket so I can put it right there, so it will be somewhere around here so the thing don't vibrate too much. So let's get into it. This is how the muffler is gonna look. I was debating if I want to put it looking sideways or looking back up. So I have to ask a couple friends, and they all agree the muffler will look better looking straight back and a little bit up, and that's how I install it. So now you see when the engine is on, it probably vibrate. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a bracket right. I already cut my piece of metal, so I'm gonna put it like right there. So I'm gonna weld it, and then I'm gonna put another little piece right here with the bolt. So this piece is the one that's gonna be attached to the muffler. So if I have to take the engine out, the whole muffler come out with it. So you know, just to make it better. I was thinking to weld it from this. I was thinking to weld it from here and here, so it will stay like forever. But I don't think I want to do that. So I prefer to for the muffler to be able to take it out if I have to. So let's weld it. Got it. So I got my bracket already welded. I already have my little piece right here where I'm gonna put a bolt. Now I just have to drill and put a bolt, and I think that make it stay, you know. So let's just finish it. I think it's done. I already have my my bracket. I have I weld a small bracket to the pipe, and then attach it to the big bracket attached to the go-kart. I think that's the best way to go, because if I have to remove the engine, so the whole thing will come out. And if for some reason this one vibrate too much because it's longer or whatever, I just cut it and make it shorter. I don't know. I just need to give it a try and see how it works. So let's go for a spin.